Welcome to today's lesson on coordinate geometry. In this video, we will explore two very important tools, the distance formula and the section formula. Whether you are solving problems in class or preparing for exams, these formulas help us calculate distances and find specific points on a line with ease. Let's dive in. Before we begin, remember that any point on a plane is represented by an ordered pair, x, y. The x-coordinate, called the abscissa, tells us the horizontal distance from the y-axis, and the y-coordinate, or ordinate, tells us the vertical distance from the x-axis. To find the distance between 2 points, say, P, x1, y1 and q, x2, y2, we draw perpendiculars and a parallel to the x-axis. This gives us a right triangle where the horizontal side is x2 minus x1 and the vertical side is y2 minus y1. By applying the Pythagorean theorem, we get distance square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Taking the square root, we have the distance formula. For example, consider the points P 4, 6 and Q 6, 8. The difference in the x-coordinates is 2 and the difference in the y-coordinates is also 2. Therefore, the distance between them is square root of 2 square plus 2 square, which simplifies to 2 root 2 units. Next, we will explore the section formula, which allows us to find the coordinates of a point that divides a line segment in a given ratio. Suppose we have 2 points, A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2, and we want to find the point P that divides AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. By drawing perpendiculars to the x-axis and parallels to the x-axis, we get two triangles, triangle PAQ and triangle BPC. Now, using the properties of similar triangles, PA by BP equal to AQ by PC equal to PQ by BC. Substituting these values in the equation, PA by BP equal to AQ by PC equal to PQ by BC, we get. On simplifying these equations, we get the section formula as x is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. When the ratio is 1:1, P is the midpoint of AB, and the formulas become x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Let us now work through an example. Find the point that divides the segment joining A 4, -3 and B 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. Using the section formulas, we have x is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Substituting the values of m1 is equal to 3, m2 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 8, x1 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 5, and y1 is equal to -3, we find that the point P is 7, 3. Let's quickly recap. The distance between 2 points P, x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2 is given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. To find a point that divides a line segment internally in the ratio m1:m2, we use x is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. When the ratio is 1:1, this becomes the midpoint formula. Now it's your turn to practice. Try these problems on your own. Calculate the distance between 2, 3 and 4, 1. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining -2, -3 and 2, 3. Determine the coordinates of the point that divides the segment joining 1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. In today's lesson, we explored the distance formula and the section formula, two powerful tools in coordinate geometry. We derived each formula, worked through examples, and provided practice problems to help reinforce your learning. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.